here is the review of ROG Zephyrus G14. AMD recently announced its Ryzen 4000 series processors in different configurations that make tall claims on paper. There is the new and improved 7nm Zen 2 core architecture, integrated graphics and tons of other features that mainly focuses on providing optimal performance while keeping the efficiency at its best. ASUS joined hands with AMD to bring its first laptop powered by AMD's latest and one of the most powerful 4000 series mobile processor, which not only are among the most compact 14-inch gaming laptops. The laptop in question is ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14, a machine that brings aboard AMD's latest 4000 series processors, targeted at both gamers as well as content creators. AMD has also claimed that their latest Ryzen 4000 mobile processors are designed specifically for improving the performance of the compact laptops. We have been testing this machine for a while now, and here is what we have to say about it. Before that, let's take a look at the pricing of the laptops. The price of ROG Zephyrus G14 starts at Rs 98,990 for the base variant without the Anime Matrix display, and the Anime Matrix display version starts at Rs 80,990. The model we are testing here is the top of the line variant and it costs Rs 1,60,990. ASUS ROG Zephyrus G14, the name might fool you for a while as the name tag belongs to ASUS's latest lightweight gaming laptops. At the first glance, you will notice that this is unlike any gaming laptop we have seen from the company. Now we know that ASUS loves to experiment with design, but here they have taken it to an entirely different level altogether. For starters, the Zephyrus G14 is compact. The footprints of the laptop are even smaller than some regular 14-inch laptops out there. Another major highlight here is the new subtle looking white and silver color scheme that makes it look like a professional machine than a conventional gaming laptop. Now some gamers might not be happy with the decision, and for them the company also has an Eclipse grey color variant of the machine. What we liked and actually enjoyed the most is the new Anime Matrix display at the top panel. The entire setup consists of 1215 mini LEDs and the panel has dot matrix design on the lid, which is made out of 6536 perfectly spaced perforations in a small surface area. We have seen ASUS experimenting with the lid design before, but this one here is unlike anything we have seen. The major approach here is to bring more customizations and interactivity. Although this is just a display and users cannot interact with it physically, the Anime Matrix option inside the Armory crate allows users to customize completely. The base of the laptop is done in silver color that gives it a slightly different look. The sides, back and bottom of the laptop have big openings for air intake and dispersal. The sides also have ports placed at the bottom half portion. The left side has a power port, HDMI, USB Type-C port and 3.5mm audio jack. At the same time, the right side gets a bunch of USB 3.0, Type-A ports, USB Type-C port and a Kingston lock. ASUS has also provided quad speaker setup here. Two of them are placed at the top of the base and two are at the back side of the base unit. The speakers are also backed and tuned by Dolby Atmos. Talking about the display, the ROG Zephyrus G14 boasts a 14-inch WQHD 2560 by 1440 pixels IPS with 60 Hz refresh rate and 100% sRGB and is also Pantone validated for color accuracy. The 14-inch matte finish display is sharp, has good amount of details and produces vibrant colors too. Now let's talk about the performance. As already mentioned, the ROG Zephyrus G14 is powered by AMD Ryzen 4000 series processor. To be more specific, AMD Ryzen 9 4900HS processor which has a 35W TDP. The processor has 8 cores and 16 threads which can attain a maximum clock speed of up to 4.3 GHz. From this, it also comes with integrated 7nm Vega graphics clocked at 1750 MHz. ASUS has also added an NVIDIA RTX 2060 Max-Q dedicated graphics chip with 6GB DDR6 RAM. The laptop performed really well in almost every scenario. In fact, we fabricated some situations like playing a game while rendering a 4K video on Premiere Pro or watching movies, browsing and playing games while connected to an additional display. In both cases, the laptop performance was at par from the competition. We did not notice any lag or delay while navigating between software and games or while switching between different tasks. These types of systems are not just for regular users or for content creators. They are also well suited for almost every gaming need. To test that, we ran a couple of latest titles such as Call of Duty Modern Warfare, Tom Clancy's Breakpoint, Ubisoft Hyperscape, Beta, and PUBG PC. The laptop did manage to run all the games at respectable frame rates. The laptop also comes with a pretty decent keyboard and with well spaced out keys and offers good key travel. The keys do not feel spongy and are accurate most of the time. The trackpad also is very good and offers excellent traction and response. The speakers on the laptop are really good and offer crisp, clear, and loud sound output. The onboard Dolby Atmos technology does help a lot. Talking about the thermal performance, the ROG Zephyrus G14 runs a little hot from the beginning, but it's not really irksome. ASUS ROG Zephyrus might run a little hot, but it certainly is not a power hog. The laptop did manage to last for around 8 hours on normal uses that include browsing, watching videos with brightness set to 75%. The ROG Zephyrus G14 has a lot to talk about. It's the first of its kind 14-inch gaming machine that certainly does not look like a gaming machine. Also, the performance is one of the strongest points of the laptop. However, the laptop has its shortcomings too, such as thermal performance and dim backlight. So, is it worth the money? Well, if you're out there for a compact laptop that looks good, offers good performance and has color calibrated display, and you're okay with the thermal, then there is nothing better than ROG Zephyrus G14 in the market right now. So that was the review of ROG Zephyrus G14.